Wavefront Object Format. The .obj wavefront object file format is a universal 3D model format widely used in computer graphics, 3D printing, game development, and animation. Originally developed by Wavefront Technologies, .obj files store geometry, textures, and material data in a simple, text-based format, making them highly compatible across different software and platforms. Universal compatibility. Supported by most 3D modeling and rendering software including Blender, Maya, 3ds Max, and Unity. Mesh geometry storage stores vertices, faces, normals, and texture coordinates, allowing for detailed 3D models. Material support uses .mtl material template library files to define colors, textures, and reflections for realistic rendering. No animation data. Unlike formats such as FBX or GLTF, .obj files do not store animation or rigging information, making them best suited for static models. 3D printing. Many 3D printers accept OBJ files due to their precise mesh definitions. Game development. Used for importing static 3D objects like buildings, props, and weapons into game engines. Visual effects and animation integrated into CGI pipelines for movies, product design, and architectural visualization. Due to its simplicity, accuracy, and widespread support, the .obj format remains a go-to choice for sharing and storing 3D models, particularly for projects that don't require animations or interactive components.